Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to display stages of leave request into calendar view. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Leave Approved in Calendar. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to time of app and see here this dashboard. This 5 date paid time of 1 days approved, and also display here doctor appointment total 3 days approved. So when install this our app, then automatically display here stages into calendar view. Thank you.